Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Need to quickly add an image into a PDF, maybe a signature, a logo, or just a simple photo, but don't want to install any software? Well, here's the easiest way to do it using Canva, a free online tool that works right from your browser. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com. If you don't have an account, just sign up. It's completely free. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Create a Design button and search for A4 document. Or you can use custom size if your PDF is in a different format. Now, on the left side panel, click on Uploads and upload your PDF file. Once it's uploaded, drag and drop the pages onto the canvas. You can import multiple pages and Canva will lay them out one by one. Now for the fun part. To add an image, go back to Uploads and upload the image you want to insert. Once it's uploaded, drag it onto the page. You can resize, move, or rotate it anywhere inside the PDF. Want to insert multiple images on different pages? Just scroll down to each page and repeat the same process. Once you're happy with your edits, click Share at the top right, then choose Download, select PDF Standard or PDF Print, and hit Download. And that's it. Your new PDF now includes the image, ready to be shared or printed. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, How to Fix Techie, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.